back this morning again, but with my dad.
Hello.
Yeah, you can finally hear him. He got a new mic. I'm sorry if you didn't hear it about the company. It's National Geographic Kids, was it? I don't know, but before we go in our battle for the beacon, I want to show you a little bit around because I changed it. And we weren't on my den whenever it was Games versus Princess Icy Claus. We haven't put it on YouTube yet, but, well, yeah, I just want to show you around a little bit. I have this epic dragon fountain. I love it.
Den's getting really big.
It's not getting big. I'm just putting new stuff on it, and where's that thing on your head?
I took it off.
Why?
I don't know.
It looks weird.
Alright, I'll put it back.
If you want to, you might want to go shopping and you can buy some new stuff. I really like my room because I traded something in. I got a Paradise rug for a Zyos rug, which is down here. The Zyos rug. I had 2 of them and I didn't want one. But yeah, I think the bottom floor is like the best looking. Because if the Zyos rug was straight, that would be epic. But apparently it's only on that.
Alright, you ready to play?
Yeah. Wolves only party there. Okay. You have to get to because it's not a host party. You can't host it, you just have to go in there and I might meet you there. If not, we'll try to find out a way. Go on parties. And then we will meet you there.
Where are we going?
Battle of the Beacon. Okay. Dozens of phantoms are currently invading the west fields to the left of the village. They must have learned we are hiding the phantom beacon here in Hidden Hollow. Ever since the phantom beacon fell into our paws, the phantoms have tried to take it back. This time, however, they are launching a full attack. It's a foolhardy plan, to be sure, but the sheer number they are attacking with is putting everyone in danger. We must prevent the phantoms from reclaiming the phantom beacon at all costs. Without it, we will never be able to discover the location of the phantom fortress. I need to stay in Hidden Hollow to protect the phantom beacon, and I'm afraid I must ask you to join the fight. The phantoms are emerging from large phantom tubes in the west fields. Use chomper plants, boom seeds, and your wits to destroy them and defeat the remaining phantoms. You have proven your bravery a number of times before, but be careful. Who knows what tricks the phantoms have in store? Okay, Dad.
I'm in here, but I don't see you.
Wait. Yeah, I don't see you.
We must have it in groups, so I don't think there's one. We'll have to go do an adventure.
Well, Battle for the Beacon, is a failure. We'll probably do it in... Wait. No, not you. That was a big bummer. Well, we'll probably do it again. But we could buy some stuff here. It has some pretty cool stuff.
I've already left. Come back when you're done.
Phantom wall art. Oh my gosh. Phantom 2. I need to get a phantom den. That'd be awesome. Hello, sleeping bunny. Okay. So, adventure. The Great Escape. Let's do Bubble Trouble this time.
Okay.
So, meet me at Bar High Bay. No, wait, hold on. You guys have never seen my underwater den. Where is my guy? There you are. So this is my underwater den. But yeah, let's get this party started. Bubba Trouble.
Ocean problems.
Doesn't say you joined on mine. Hold on, let me try to do something. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. It doesn't say on you on here. Okay. Eat me, plant. Just try pressing play and see if it works. Yeah, I joined. Just press play and we'll see what happens. It might not work in my den. I'm not coming. Let's meet at Barhigh Bay.
Let's go to my den.
But we need to be an ocean animal to host that adventure. And you don't have an underwater den. Yeah, I'm not there. So meet at Barhigh Bay. I will meet you there. Okay, I'm here. Now let's try it. I'm just gonna try this time. Yeah. Yeah, it works. It works. I'm just gonna see if those guys want to join. I don't know who they are. Yeah, they don't want to join. Yeah, let's play. Cool. Okay. William's playing Minecraft.
What is this one? I don't think I've ever played this one before.
You have... Thank goodness you're here. Ever since the Phantoms found their way into the oceans of Janima, they have been capturing animals and polluting the waters. The Alphas need help from Janima's bravest ocean animals. We need you to explore the ocean depths, investigate the Phantom's dark plains, and tell us what you have seen. Swim ahead to see what you can learn. And if any Phantoms come your way, use a special chomper clams to trap them. Good luck. It's all up to us. Dun, dun. Hi, Steve.
This music is kind of scary.
I know. I found Allie. Yeah, it's that weirdo treasure chest that I can never get to. Curse you, treasure chest! evil treasure chest. If you want to, Daddy, you can follow me. Just follow my little icon. So, Bowley. I'm doing it. Wrong one. And these adventures are super duper fun. Hi, Jane. Ow. Oh, well, almost. Ow. And I'm probably gonna die. Did anybody know that phantoms can breathe underwater? Because if they did, can you tell me how? Well, they don't have any mouths, so that makes sense. Key.
Do you have it?
Yeah. Wrong one. Whenever you kill one of the phantoms, it drops a key. Come here, Jane. Jane the Bainey. Yeah, I'm swirling. Swirling, swirling. Gang, gang, gang. Phantom, phantom. Let's play hide and go seek. I don't know what I'm saying. You have to hold it down to go back down. If you see this girl, I'm almost exactly like her. I tried to copy her, but I can't find her tiara. And I'm going to the dolphin thing, the secret dolphin entrance. Remember, Dad? Daddy, come here. Come here. And Daddy, come here.
I'm way on the bottom, somewhere far away.
I'm getting my treasure. I got a pearl necklace.
I found one of the keys, but the phantom got me.
Got a candy cane tiara. Oh, that's it. It's a candy cane tiara. Now I'm exactly like her. Oh, baby, yes. I'm exactly like her, Dad.
Awesome.
Yeah, you down that way. Okay.
Come here, phantom.
I'm going the confusing way. Oh, hello. I can't believe you didn't see me. Ow. How did that hurt me when he... That's just weird. Ooh, fall. Treasure again.
I got one of the keys back.
Why don't you go another way? I'm going to a key. I accidentally went the wrong way. I'm not on the very confusing one. Got a key. Come here, one. You are free, Maureen, or whatever your name is. Okay, Daddy.
Where's the last key?
Daddy, come here. If you can see my little icon. Icon.
Hello.
through here. Whoever can get the key first. Race to whoever can get the key first. Whoever gets the key first wins. I told you. You have to hold down the thing. Otherwise it won't work. So we're doing a race and see whoever can get the last key.
I'm going back. Well, now I'm completely stuck. I can't get out of the chest ring.
I'm almost to the key, actually.
I can't get out. You're gonna have to get out.
As soon as I find the key and find you, he always gets stuck. Hello, Mr. Phantom. There we go. Is there a secret way down here? No.
I just went back to the dolphin. I couldn't get it. I'm waiting by the dolphin.
Good and bad, Mr. If you want to, you can go into the dolphin thing and get your prize. The secret dolphin thing. Remember where that is? Where the seaweed is, the small seaweed. Okay. I got a pearl necklace from it, and it didn't even die. I have 1 heart left. Hopefully the phantom coral won't kill me.
Swim, swim, swim.
So, down here, Dad. Come here. The seaweed over here. Go through it. Keep on going through. That. I got a pearl necklace from it. I know. Don't touch the phantom coral, Dad. It'll hurt you. This is very dangerous. And it has eyeballs, actually. It's really creepy. Treasure!
See, it's the same problem. Can you do this thing? I think it's my little penguin guy.
No, it's not. It's not your penguin.
It's me.
You gotta hold it down. You gotta hold it down.
Look at that. It's easy.
Hold your finger down. Hold your finger down on the mouse.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
I already got the treasure. I'm so glad you returned safely. What were you able to discover beneath the surface? A factory filled with phantoms? Oh no! No! This is not good at all. I need to tell the other alphas immediately. If the phantom factory is as bad as you say it is, we will definitely need your help again. Please account this gift and then swim through the adventure portal. Yes, I finally get Phantom Coral back! Yay, and this dolphin is almost on level 4. Bye. I'm going to my den.
I will
Den. It didn't let me go to my den. It won't let me go to my den.
Let's go to my den.
Okay. Now let's try my den. I just want to put my Phantom Coral back in. I've been wanting Phantom Coral so much. Because I accidentally traded it in for that Mira statue.
Oh, I didn't know you could trade stuff.
I did. I want to see what you have to trade. Just to see. You have nothing on your trade list. So Daddy, if you go on my trade list, so let me show you. I'll be right back. If you want to, Daddy, you can see on my screen. Daddy, so you click on this, and then there's that, and it'll show you that.
Okay.
So
Trade list.
To choose which items you want to trade, click on your animal picture. Click on the Trade tab at the top. Then, click on the plus button to add items to your trade list. These are the items you want to trade. To see another Jammer's trade list, open their player card. Then, click on the Trade tab. If you see an item of theirs you like, click on it. Then, click on the plus button to add the items that you want to trade for it. If the other Jammer likes your offer, they can accept it, and the trade is complete. Remember, if you don't like what another Jammer is offering, you can always say no. Now go on and have fun trading.
Trading. That's really neat.
yeah.
Still dancing.
Well, that's this episode. Bye. And we will see you tomorrow. But hold on. Party in the house tonight. I'm at the penguin party only. Bye bye.